In this lesson, we're going to learn the fastest way to set a layer current. We're going to look at the Set Objects Layer Current command. This tool allows us to choose a current layer by selecting geometry in our drawing. On my screen, I've got a mechanical part that I've been working on, and this part also includes a section view. I'd like to start by creating a circle that represents the hole that passes through this object. And if I look at the layer control, I can see the current layer is dimensions, and I know I don't want to draw my circle on that layer. Instead of opening up the layer control and trying to search for the layer I want to use, I'm going to move up to the Layers panel and click this icon. This is the Make Objects Layer Current command. Once I launch the tool, I'll select an entity in my drawing, and AutoCAD will use that entity to set the current layer. As you can see, I'm going to be drafting on the Mech Part layer. I'll launch the Circle command, and I'll create my circle from the center of this one. And I can see right over here, the circle must have a diameter of 1. So I'll right-click, select Diameter, and I'll give this a value of 1. I'd like to do one more thing. Since this hole passes all the way through the part, I'd like to add a center line. To make that layer current, I'll click the Make Objects Layer Current tool, and I'll select one of my center lines. As you can see, if I use this tool, I can set layers current without even knowing the layer's name. Let's launch the Line command, and I'm going to draw this from the midpoint of this line, and I'll draw it to the midpoint of this line, and I'll press Escape. Now, I'd like to extend this line a little bit longer in each direction. I'll do that by using the Scale command. I'll launch Scale, and I'll select my line and right-click, and I'd like to scale this from the midpoint of the line segment, and I'll drag this out a little bit, and I'll free pick a point on screen. As you can see, using the Set Objects Layer Current tool takes the guesswork out of choosing the current layer. And as your drawings increase in size, you'll appreciate how fast this tool allows you to work in your files.